For nearly 1,000 years, the mystery that stayed in the minds of the people is Area 51. What is Area 51? Actually, United States of America is a group of 50 states, and there is another one state which we all don't know is Area 51. Area 51 is located in the southern portion of Nevada in the western United States. 134 kilometers northwest of Las Vegas, the surrounding area is a popular tourist destination. Actually, how Area 51 became popular? It became popular because of its restrictions. Let you know what they are. Number 1. Military aircrafts or civil aircrafts should not fly in the area. Number 2. If anybody enters inside without permission by road or any way, security have full orders to kill them directly. Number 3. Even satellites don't have permission to capture that area. Number 4. If you want to see the area from far, you should climb a mountain nearby it and you can see with telescope or binoculars. Number 5. Workers in the Area 51 are transported by plane every day. All these restrictions created curiosity in people's mind. From 1950 to 1970, many people said as they saw strange lights and flying saucers in the sky. Most of them thought that aliens came to the earth to the particular area, so government restricted that area and created hype throughout the world. And everyone want to know about the fact and history of Area 51. And another interesting fact is, in 1989, a person named Bob Lazar exposed in an interview that he is an ex-employee of Area 51, and he said that he saw 9 real-time spaceships in a particular chamber. We have been trying to adopt that spaceship technology by using reverse engineering technology on that. And he said in the fuel of alien aircraft there is a element with atomic weight is 115. Anti-gravity property is there to that element named unpentium. But the highlight twist is unpentium was found 14 years later of that interview. Before invention of unpentium, how he know that is still a question mark. And he also said that aliens planet is 39 light years away from the earth. Let's reveal the question. What's going on at Area 51? What are they developing inside? Actually, the main purpose of Area 51 is to develop U-2 spy plane, and they called it as Dragon Lady. That was a invisible plane to observe the activities of Russian traders. But now they are developing the world's most advanced cutting edge military technology like teleportation, telepathy, time travel, alien technology, and to contact the person who are on other planet. So the tests are going on Area 51 underground. Here Americans are trying to develop the necessary technology to prove that they are most dominating people on the world. For the first time in 2013, American CIA released 355-page document about Area 51, and the first time American government accepted there is a Area 51 officially. The first president who spoke about Area 51 is Barack Obama. The lights which people saw in between 1950 to 1970 is nothing but U-2 plane, that is a Dragon Lady, to spy on activities of Russian traders. The plane reflects sunlight to the floor and became invisible. The people who saw that thought it was a alien spaceship. That's it. This is the mystery of Area 51.